Today I'm going to do a unboxing of a Nick Williams 103 millimeter throttle body for a LS platform in black. So to start with, I ordered this one from Texas Speed and Performance. I called several other shops and I was only able to find polished at a bunch of other shops, and when I talked to the guy at Texas Speed, he said, I don't even know if we have one of those. But he took a look, and I guess I got lucky, so I got one. And so this is what the box looks like that it comes in. Little part number. I opened it up just for the sake of making it easier on the video. Let's see what's inside. Inside, all right, got a very nice black anodized 103 millimeter throttle body. That's a very, very nice piece. Has some weight to it as well, really thick. Looks very nice, very clean looking. Everything inside is all completely black except for that throttle body blade there. So there's a part number. So that's what it looks like. Set it over here. Let's see. All right, and then underneath the bottom foam, got four Allen head screws for the throttle body. So that's all that it comes with. Nothing else in the box. So no special instructions or anything. Just the 4 Allen screws and the throttle body itself. From what I've read, the screws are because the body of the throttle body is so thick, even compared to like a normal regular stock throttle body. So that's it.